Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Hello and welcome to Mimnu Pucang Podcast. I'm Anissa. In today's episode, we will discuss about memorizing method for our children in memorizing Al-Quran. And our guest today is Mem Umi and Mem Lilis.
Hello.
They are my teacher and also the teacher in Mimnu Pucang in passion with tahsin and religion subject. Thank you for joining us here.
Yes, ma'am.
Well, they're gonna share with us about the knowledge and tips in memorizing Al-Quran. So, start from the first semester in this academic year. Our students are obliged to memorize some of surah in Al-Quran, but some of our students feel that they cannot memorize it well and feel pessimistic in memorizing Al-Quran. So, what are the tips for our students so that they can feel enjoy when memorizing surah?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you for the time. Tips to be able to memorize Al-Quran. The first, when we want to memorize Al-Quran, we must be repeat. For example, if want to memorize, we should the surah or the verse that when that we want to memorize several times, maybe 20 or 30 times until is complete full Al-Quran. I think like that. And then to find out whether what we memorize is still in our memory, before going to sleep, we can read or review again until wake up. We can repeat also again. If we wake up and then we still memorize, so it means we still remember the memorize. That makes.
I agree with Mem Lily's statement, and I will add the important is murajaah, Mem, because murajaah make we always remember that we have to memorize. For example, today we memorize Surah Al-Waqi'ah verse 1 until 5, and then tomorrow we will continue to the next verse 6 until 10. Before that, we must review again for the verse before.
Yes, I agree also, because actually for memorizing is we need to read more and more, and murajaah is the important things.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. So, actually, what is the obstacles of our students that they feel afraid or what?
Maybe like lazy, yes, ma'am. And then fear of not being able to memorize, and then it could be also be a lack of review or reciting with what has been memorized. I think like that.
I think according to me, Mem Anissa, I think there is no obstacle for memorize Al-Quran, because everything must have a way. Like there are many routes to go to the room.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. And then obstacle are the most obstacle is from ourselves, because if we don't have spirit to memorize Al-Quran, we feel lazy, like Mem Lily's statement. But if we know the function, the purpose, if we have memorized in Al-Quran, we get syafa'at, because syafa'at in the hereafter there are two. The first syafa'at is from Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and the second syafa'at is from Al-Quran. It is make us spirit to memorize Al-Quran.
Yeah, so in other words, there is no obstacles for memorizing Al-Quran, but we make it. The obstacles come from ourselves, like he said
Yes.
in Surah Al-Inshirah, "Inna ma'al usri yusra." Yeah, yeah. Because in every difficulties, there will the ease. So, uh, actually, how can our students who are still not fluent in reading long verses, but they have to memorize the long verses? How can that?
Based on my experience, empirical experience, I mean, I always support my student to memorize Al-Quran that have already memorized to always read Ba'da Subuh or Ba'da Maghrib. And also, of course, spirit from their parent. The parent gives support to the children, for example, accompany them when muroja'ah after Salat Subuh and after Salat Maghrib. Also, there is program in our madrasah
Yes.
after Isya. There is a company for their teacher also.
Yeah, that's all.
Okay, yes, Ma'am Umi. Before we run to memorize Al-Quran, we must be to read Al-Quran the first. Uh, when learning to read Al-Quran, there are still reading for are not fluent. We can read them little by little. Okay, if you can reading little by little, then read continue, and then read over and over again until you can read Al-Quran the full, like that. For example, want to reading Inna ma'al usri yusra, we can by little inna ma'a, so we can uh, repeat, yes, 3 until 5 time, like that, and
The true
then
example,
continue. Yes, inna ma'a, inna ma'a, inna ma'a.
Yeah.
Yes,
To
and
make
then
sure that our reading is true.
yes, and then
Correct.
continue.
The
Itulah
next
one
one.
by one lah, terus little by little, like that, ma'am.
And also this for the new role in our madrasah, ya, ma'am. In this year, there is the new role for memorize some
Yes.
surah.
Yeah.
This is for all students, start from the first grade until sixth grade.
Yes, yes, that's right. This is our new rules in this school. So, if there is the new rules, of course, we have considered the treatment for our students. How can they be able to memorize the surah? Like, we still accompany them to muraja'ah. For example, during while waiting for the teacher come, they read together one class with friends, read surah by surah. So, what if there are some students that are still in Tahsin 1 or Tahsin 2, but they have to memorize long verses? They have to memorize surah also, but they still in Tahsin 1 and Tahsin 2.
Okay, I think this is not problem, ya, Ma'am Anissa, because this is digital era. We can find in the social media, for example, in YouTube or in TikTok, we can click and then we can find an example for read the good or the correct example for reading Al-Quran. Then the student can repeat again more and more. The proof is there are many children under balita, I mean 5 year old, that can read surah, can memorize some surah, although they are not in the Tahsin 1, in the Tahsin 2 or 3 yet. I mean not yet go to TPQ because it's so small.
Yes, actually, nothing is impossible. If there is a will, inshallah there is a way like that. As long as we
Inshallah.
have spirit and optimism that we can do it, we can memorize it well. Bismillah. And actually, innamal a'malu binniyat ya, ma'am.
Yes.
We can strengthen our intention to memorize Al-Quran. Allah will lead us. So thank you very much for sharing
You are
the knowledge
welcome.
and tips for our students. Hopefully it helps and motivate our students to memorize surah better. Okay, we'll reach our last minutes in this episode. If you want to watch more podcasts, please visit Mimnu Puchang official channel. Thank you. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.